So the bill only talks about pattedars, but not about the persons who are in long-standing possessions. What about those people? We are talking about pattedars. What about the possessions which they are holding from years and years, sir? Further, there is no mechanism. If the entries are wrongly mentioned in Dharani, who will correct it? Who is going to correct this? Is also a question, sir. So further in section 16, with only pending cases, but there is no permanent dispute resolution mechanism for future, if any, in the Act. The Act is short-sighted one and not a comprehensive one to deal with the land-related issues. In the future, land disputes will increase substantially if these points which I have mentioned is not addressed, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Sir, we think that this bar on transfer of title is superfluous and infectious, since the sub-registrar is authorized to allot PTIN and VLTN for unassessed properties and unassessed vacant land while effecting the transfer by way of sale, gift, mortgage, partition or exchange of succession under registered documents. So, Honorable Speaker, sir, how can the seller produce no due certificates or up-to-date payment receipt of property tax, water charges, electricity dues for an unassessed property or unassessed vacant land? Unassessed, sir. So we need to think how, because it is not assessed, sir. If it is assessed, then he will produce. But if it is unassessed, so how will he do that, sir? Sir, I would like to point out that in GHMC area, we have almost 20 to 22 lakh structured properties, out of which only 15 lakhs properties are assessed for property tax. Only 15 lakhs, sir. Sir, these assessed properties include 12 lakhs residential premises, 2.5 lakh non-residential commercial properties, and 50,000 mixed properties, sir. Sir, this means that there are almost 5 to 7 lakh properties which are still unassessed. So what will be the fate of this unassessed properties, sir? So most of the unassessed properties include properties which may have been constructed without following legal parameters. Most of these unassessed properties do not have sanctioned layouts or building permission, or they may also not have title and registered sale deeds, sir. Such properties which may have constructed without obtaining building permission from the municipal authorities may also happen to have notarized title or sale deeds, sir. Sir, I am sure that apart from GHMC area, the municipalities and the municipal corporation across the state may have lakhs of such unassessed properties, not only in GHMC, sir, which are constructed without building permission from the concerned authorities, or whose title or sale deeds may be based on notarized title and sale deeds, sir. So the municipal corporation, municipality in the state may take up survey of the properties to identify unassessed properties under assessed properties and properties with actual change of land use and properties shown as residence premises to bring them into property tax net, to releases the tax under assessed properties and to check the change of land use, etc., sir. Sir, a number of properties in GHMC area also do not have proper land records or link documents, sir. This is very important, sir. Link documents भी नहीं है. Sir, 3-4 generation पहले मेरे दादा परदादा की जमीन थी, घर था, जायदाद है, वैसे ही है. कागजात खाली उसके हैं. उस जमाने में कोई परमिशन नहीं लिए, या लिए तो परमिशन का कागज नहीं है. तो ऐसे कई प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, लिंक डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं है. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, इस ताल्लुक से भी आप गौर करिए. जिनके पास प्रॉपर लिंक डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं है एंड दे हैव बीन बिल्ड ऑन एनक्रोच प्राइवेट और गवर्नमेंट लैंड्स, बन गए होंगे गवर्नमेंट लैंड पे, एंड दे हैव आल्सो नॉट बीन रेगुलराइज्ड अंडर GO 58 एंड 59. आप GO 58 और 59 भी निकाले थे, उसका भी शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं. मजलिस मुतालबा करी, फौरन आप निकाले, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी ये लोग रेगुलराइज नहीं करें. तो फिर से आप कुछ सोचिए कि किस तरीके से हम इनको तरगीब दे सकते हैं, हम इनको समझा सकते हैं कि आगे बढ़ के आप करिए. Sir, I would earnestly urge the Honorable Chief Minister Saab to come up with a comprehensive scheme for land regularization, layout regularization, and building regularization for properties in urban areas of the state, including GHMC, at a nominal rate as one-time opportunity, sir. As one-time opportunity, sir. Sir, I would like to repeat my request once again, sir. Sir, I would earnestly urge the Honorable Chief Minister Saab to come up with a comprehensive scheme for regularization